Hello, we're looking at problem 41 on page 150. It says the size of a square that measures 4 meters by 4 meters increase in length by 10%. Find the percent increase in the area. Okay, so let's write this down. So we start off with a square and it's 4 meters by 4 meters. If it increases by 10% in length, then it has to increase by 4% in width also. So my new one would be 4.4 meters times 4.4 meters. And I do that by multiplying 0.1 or 10% times 4, and that's going to give me 0.4. And so when I add that together, I get 4.4. All right, so we can multiply this and I get 16 meters squared is my area. And if I use my calculator, 4.4 times 4.4 is 19.36. So 19.36 meters squared. And so when I'm looking for a percent increase or decrease, I want to take my new amount, which is 19.36 meters squared, minus my old amount, which is 16 meters squared, divided by my original amount, which is 16 meters squared. And when I put that in my calculator, so 19.36 minus 16 divided by 16 is 0.21, which is 21%. So it's a 21% increase. Okay, so now let's take a look at B. It says the size of a square that measures 6 meters by 6 meters increase in length by 10%. Find the percent increase of the area. Okay, again, I start off by 6 meters by 6 meters, and that gives me 36 meters squared. And then 10% times, and we can put that in our calculator for those that don't believe me. So 6 times 0.1 is 0.6, so that's 6 plus 0.6 is 6.6. So that's 6.6 meters times 6.6 meters, and I get a new measurement. So that's 6.6 times 6.6, which is 43.56. Okay, so we can do the math for that as well. So it's going to be 43.56. I'm going to leave off the meter squared just because of space. Minus 36 all over my original amount, which is 36. Put that in our calculator. Minus 36 divided by 36, and I get 0.21 or 21% again. So far we got 21% twice. Okay, so reason says predict the percent increase in the area of a square that measures 8 by 8 if the side length increased by 10%. Alright, so my guess would be that it's going to increase by 21% again, but we need to check it just to be on the safe side. So let's check it. I'm going to clear what I have here. So I have 8 meters by 8 meters, which is 64 meters squared, and I have 8.8 meters by 8.8 meters. Remember how I did the increase by 10%, which is, we'll do that over here. So that's 8 times 0.1, which is 0.8. So that's going to give me 8 plus 0.8, which is 8.8 meters. Okay, multiply that. So 8.8 times 8.8 gives me 77.44. And again, I'm going to not put the meter squared because of space issues. So I'll do 77.44 minus 64 all over 64. So that's minus 64 divided by 64. And again, I get 21%. And I hope this helps.